you have dreams that are just waiting to emerge. And you have goals and you have visions for your life. And your vision has to be specific in what it speaks of what it is that you want in your life.
I'm here probably for the same reason everybody is, because there's a lot of room in my life that I want to improve upon.
You showed up for your dreams. You showed up for your goals. You showed up to learn how to take those things and create them into reality in your life. It's about finding your passion, because your purpose is connected to your passion. And if you're really aligned with what you love, with what gives you life, then you are absolutely on the right path to connecting with your purpose.
Yeah, this was an eye-opener for me.
I just thought I could even do something like this.
The short period of time that I've been with her, she has just been fantastic. And
it makes you sit and think and like, really, what is it I want to do? What is it I want to accomplish? What is it that really is important to me? And it makes you think about it.
You can learn more about me on my website, thecoachingangel.com. On the home page, it says Complimentary Strategy Session. Just click on that, it'll send you my calendar, and you can create whatever appointment works for your schedule.